There has a lot of information about how to get to Blue Mountain, which is located at New South Wales, Australia. 其實咧，好多人已經介紹過咧點樣去澳洲新南威爾斯州嘅藍山㗎啦。The reason why I do this episode is because part of the train railway from Sydney Central to Katoomba is under construction, so we need to change a replacement bus, and it takes a bit longer than usual. 我之所以做呢一集呢，係因為由 Sydney 中央車站咧去 Katoomba 嘅車站呢，有一部分嘅鐵路咧係維修緊嘅。咁我哋呢係要轉乘另一個巴士嘅，車程呢就比以往咧係長一啲。I'm going to show you the details routing to get there. 我而家咧就話俾你聽咧，詳細咧係點樣去噶啦。If you drive, it takes 1 hour 40 minutes from Sydney Central to Blue Mountain Scenic World Car Park. 如果你揸車嘅話咧，由雪梨中央開車下，去到藍山世界風景區嗰個停車場啊，係大約需要1個鐘頭40分鐘。By public transportation, train and bus will take 2 hours 15 minutes supposedly. 如果坐交通工具下，咁巴士同火車咧原定咧其實係需要2個鐘頭15分鐘嘅啫。But when I went there during Christmas, half of the railway has to go by bus, which is from Olympic Park Station to Penrith Station. 但係當我聖誕節去嘅時候咧，有一半嘅鐵路嘅路程咧係需要轉乘巴士嘅，就係由奧林匹克公園站去到彭斯里站呢一段啦。So how long does it take then？ 咁即係用咗幾耐時間啊？繼續睇你就知㗎啦。Keep watching. Here is Central Station. We have to go to platform number 18 to Olympic Park and then take the express train. 呢度咧係中環站下，我哋咧要去18號月台，去叫做 Olympic Park 嗰個站，再坐咧快速火車嘅。我而家揾下邊度係18下。This stop is central. We have to go to platform number 18 to go to Olympic Park first. 我哋而家咧就係中環站啦，我哋要去18號月台咧就去奧林匹克公園先下。
The next train to arrive on platform 18 goes to Olympic Park via Strathfield. First stop Redfern, then Strathfield Olympic Park.
It takes 3 stops from Central Station to Olympic Park Station. 咁由中央站咧坐去奧林匹克公園站咧係坐3個站嘅。We are in Olympic Park Station. 我哋而家已經到咗咧奧林匹克公園嘅站啦。Okay, right hand side is the toilet. 右手邊咧係廁所嚟㗎。It takes about 1 hour bus. So let's go to toilet first. 陣間嘅巴士坐1個鐘，我哋去咗廁所先。
Buses leave to Penrith, second to the left, and down past McDonald's.
Thank you. 行2個街口左手面，經過麥當勞嗰度就係㗎啦。After seeing this side, turn left. 見到頭先黃色嗰撇嘢咧，就行左邊。And then cross the street. 跟住咧就過對面馬路啦。You can see Gloria James Coffee. 你會見到咧呢一間嘅咖啡店啦。And turn left. You can see a Subway sign. 跟住轉左啦，你就見到咧 Subway 嘅標誌嘅。Then you can see McDonald， 跟住咧你就會見到咧麥記㗎啦。Train replacement buses. We are going to Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain. 1A, please. You can see 1A there.
Yeah. Thank you. 咁喺前邊就見到㗎啦。咁咧就揾 1A 個牌。We are looking for the sign with 1A. It takes about 3 minutes walk from Olympic Park Station to the bus stop. 大概由奧林匹克公園站行到嚟呢個巴士站3分鐘到啦。Oh, we are going to Blue Mountain. Yes, this is the bus. Oh, cool. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Cool. I couldn't find any machine to tap a card. 我揾唔到咧，有啲乜嘢嘅機咧係要嘟卡㗎。We are now turning to a highway. 我哋而家咧就入咗啦去高速噶啦。It's 10:33，而家10:33啦。This bus ride was taking 40 minutes。呢程巴士咧就坐咗40分鐘。This station is Penrith。呢個站咧就叫做彭里斯。We are going to platform number 3。我哋而家咧去3號月台啦，就去Katoomba 嘅。Platform number 3， 3號月台啦。There has toilet as well。呢度咧係有廁所㗎。車上面咧係有廁所嘅。The toilet is in here。我哋咧用咗1個鐘頭14分鐘咧，就由彭里斯咧去到呢個 Katoomba 站啦。It's 11:58. It takes 1 hour 14 minutes to get here。Here has so many restaurants and bars. We are going to the opposite side, turn right, looking for the bus stop. 我哋跟住就過對面馬路，轉右就揾巴士站嘅。We are heading to the bus stop 686 right now. 我哋而家咧就行去686嘅巴士站啦。And you turn. You can see the fire station. The bus stop is just opposite to the fire station. It means along this road. 咁頭先咧即刻嚟個大 U turn 之後咧，個巴士站咧就喺消防局嘅對面呢一個位直上。The bus stop is in this yellow side. 嗱，個巴士站咧就喺呢個黃色嘅牌後邊。I think B is the bus stop。我諗咧 B 即係巴士站，咁咧有686嘅巴士嘅時間表喺晒度噶啦。咁排隊咧，邊度排隊坐巴士咧 ？Where the yellow line？ 嗰個嘢正喎。The yellow line is for the bus line。呢條黃色線咧就其實咧就排巴士嘅。Both 686 and 686G bus can be reached to the Scenic World and Echo Viewpoint。686同埋686G 嘅巴士咧，兩架車咧都可以去到咧風景世界區同埋呢個 Echo 觀景台嘅。The difference between those two are 686 will first arrive to the Echo Viewpoint and then Scenic World。兩者唔同嘅之處咧，就係686咧會先去呢個 Echo 嘅觀景台啦，然後咧先至去嘅世界風景區嘅。686G is the way around. We'll first arrive to the Scenic World and then to the Echo Viewpoint. 686G 咧就調翻轉嘅，先到咧就係世界風景區，然後咧先至去到 Echo 嘅觀景台嘅。And both operate hours are different too. 而且兩者嘅運行時間咧都係唔同嘅。The total ride takes 3 hours 20 minutes from Sydney Central to here. 我哋總共咧係用咗3個鐘頭20分鐘咧，係由 Sydney 嘅中央站嚟到呢度嘅。Which means 1 hour more under the condition of railway repairing period。即係話咧喺鐵路維修嘅期間咧，我哋係要用多1個鐘頭嘅。I did not buy the Scenic World ticket for the cableways in advance and everything sold out when I arrived。我咧就疏地啦，冇提前咧買定嗰啲坐 cable car 嗰啲門票啊，咁嚟到咧就乜都買光晒喎。 We are so disappointed and we have to come back again tomorrow with buying a ticket online first. 咁梗係失望而回啦，所以我哋決定咧喺網上邊咧買咗飛先，聽日再嚟過。點解咁黑嘅？So dumb！
See all the way out to Mount Solitary, that big flat top plateau smack bang in the middle. It's called Mount Solitary, 6 kilometres away from us right now. It's a very popular hiking destination. If you're looking for a good hike.
We finished our ride in the dinosaur world at 5:45 and we are looking the way to come back home. 我哋5點9咧已經玩晒所有索道啦，同埋咧恐龍世界噶啦。咁我哋而家咧揾條路咧就翻屋企啦。We are going to find the 6A6 bus. 我哋而家咧就揾686巴士。Going back to the city， 翻去啦城市啦。Walk about 5 minutes. I can see a bus stop here. 咁咧行5分鐘咧，我哋見到咧呢度有個巴士站啦。But the 6A6 bus service stopped at 3:43。咁啊686巴士咧，原來咧3點43分咧就停咗咯喎。So I need to walk another 10 minutes to another bus stop, 6A6G Maple Grove Park。咁咧，我哋需要行多10分鐘咧，去揾686G 嘅巴士站，就係叫做楓林公園站啊。When I arrived, I saw a memo mentioned the bus stop service at 5:13. What the f？ 我嚟到啦，咁啊見到咧有張 memo 咧寫住咧個巴士咧就5點13分咧就停止營運喎，唔係嘛？ I trust the Google Map information. That's why I walk here. 我咧絕對信任咧 Google 嘅地圖咧，所以我先行嚟呢度嘅啫。If this bus stop service, I have to walk 30 minutes in order to get to the Katoomba station. 如果呢個巴士停咗咧，我真係要行半個鐘咧先行到去 Katoomba station 嘅。Yes. Oh, we get the bus. Oh, thank you very much. I would like to have a compliment with Google this time. 我咧一定要讚一讚咧 Google 地圖啊。The information is quite accurate. 嗰啲資訊咧真係好準啊 ！I make it， 我終於搭到呢架車啦！ It takes 3 hours 10 minutes from Blue Mountain Scenic World to Central Station。我哋用咗咧3個鐘頭10分鐘咧，就由南山嘅風景世界咧翻嚟悉尼嘅中央站啦。Of course, from the bus departure time， 當然咧係由巴士開車計啦。